Today I am going to show you the easiest way to create these kind of realistic AI influencers for completely free. Now one thing here is you have seen a lot of dancing videos and influencers, but honestly they are not brand friendly. They won't get you any brand deals and they are not consistent as well. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into it because this whole process is way simpler than most people think. So the first thing we need is face, basically the identity of our influencer. So just open Pinterest and search model. You don't need a real model or professional photo shoot for this. Now scroll through and pick a clear high quality image that feels like someone you could actually see on Instagram. The goal here is to find a face that looks natural and expressive because that makes everything later looks more believable. And once you find the face you like, just download this, and now we will turn this into our own unique character. Now instead of using the photo directly, we are going to transform it so it feel original. So open Lovart and here it gives you daily free credits, and now start a new project and upload the image as a reference. Now I will open up the image generation tool, and now I will mark that reference image from the canvas, and then we will choose Nano Brana Pro as our image model. And now adjust the resolution to 2K and keep the aspect ratio to 9:16 or 3:4 so it fits perfectly. Then add a prompt that describes the type of influencer you want, maybe lifestyle, fashion, or fitness, whatever your niche is. And this prompt is available in the description. And now generate an image, and in a few seconds you will have a fresh AI version that keeps a vibe but looks like a completely new person. So now we have our influencer ready. Now face alone isn't enough. We need movement. Now go back to Pinterest or any platform with short videos and download the clip that has the kind of motion you want your influencer to copy. It would be lip sync or product reviews or anything. So just copy the link and head over to any Pinterest video downloader and just copy the link here and just download the video. So I will just download the video, and then we will move towards the frame extractor website. So just upload the reference video here. We want to extract the first frame from this video. So just open up the video and just write one here and then extract the frame. Now that frame is important because it helps us align the character with the motion perfectly. Next, return to Lovart and upload all the images together, your AI influencers, the frame from the video, and the subject image. Then I will just open up the image generation tool, and now mark all the images from the canvas and select Nano Brana Pro and set the resolution to 2K and then set the aspect ratio to 3:4. Then I will just write a simple prompt and test the AI to make our influencer match the pose, styling, camera angle, and the frame holding the product. Now generate the image, and now you will get the final version that's specifically prepared for the animation. Now download the image because this is the one we will actually animate. Now head over to Kai AI and sign in with your Google account and click on API Market. Then scroll down and select Clean 2.6 Motion Control. And here remove all the default images. So I will just remove this image, and now I will just upload my reference image here. So I will just upload the image, and here upload the character image, and now remove the video, and then I will just upload the reference video we downloaded from the Pinterest. So I will just upload the video here and then remove the prompt, and the 720p resolution is more than enough. And now click on run and it will start creating the video, and here we have the video. And now head over to Van.video and click here on try now. So I will just click here and now change it to character swap. And now I will just upload my video here, and that's a different video. So I will just upload my video and hit confirm, and then I will just upload my character here that I want to swap from the current character. So I will just upload my character and then change the settings to the pro, and now hit generate, and here it costs 0 credit, and here we get 10 credits every day for completely free. So just hit on create, and here you can see the results. It looks super realistic and the motion is really smooth and cool. You will see your influencer moving exactly like the original video, same body language, same timing, but with your own custom character. And yes, these type of videos get brand deals, and you can even sell them as a UGC content to different brands. And honestly, once you understand this workflow, you can create endless variation, different outfits, different motion, different niches, while keeping the same consistent faces, so it feels like a real creator growing over time. And if you enjoyed this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.